Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Does Novo have transaction limits? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what Novo is. Novo is a neobank that offers a range of financial services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. One of the things that makes Novo unique is that it doesn't have any monthly fees or overdraft fees. So, back to the question, does Novo have transaction limits? The answer is yes, but the limits are pretty high. Here's a breakdown of the different types of transactions and their limits. Debit card transactions, you can make up to $10,000 per day with your Novo debit card. ATM withdrawals, you can withdraw up to $1,000 per day from any ATM. Check deposits, you can deposit up to $5,000 per day using your Novo app. Wire transfers, you can send and receive up to $25,000 per day using wire transfer. Bill pay, you can pay bills up to $5,000 per day using your Novo app. These limits are pretty high, so most people won't have any problems with them. However, if you're planning on making a large transaction, it's always a good idea to contact Novo customer support first to make sure that your transaction will be approved. So, there you have it. Novo does have transaction limits, but they are pretty high. If you're looking for a bank with no monthly fees or overdraft fees, Novo is a great option. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Novo, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.